3JPS Printer Maintenance and Repair Services. Having a problem with your printer, laptop, or desktop? Don't worry, because we offer services like printer repair, laptop and desktop repair or upgrade, printer rental for office and company. We also install CCTV for security. We also offer printing for mugs, t-shirts, tarpaulins, stickers, invitation cards, calling card, photo, and printing souvenirs. Looking for a printer, computer, or laptop? Don't worry, because we also have brand new printer, computer and laptops, printer parts, refurbished printer, laptop, and desktop, office and school supplies, inks, and other printer supplies. Don't have enough time to visit our shop? Don't worry, because we also deliver our products and services. Just contact us on our numbers and Facebook page.
Visit our shop, 3JPS Printer Maintenance Repair Services. Happy printing!